So this part 2, it's I think a little bit more stable this time. So we're gonna this outside tour of my house. That's the tomorrow Monday. So we're gonna be driving this thing around. That's a little bit more less movable. That's Rosie. To the boat. So right there. Should we take this? Should we put it in there? It survived. Okay, it survived. That's some pretty strong tape right there. Now, darn it. Small house tour. Small house tour. Fuck shit. Balls. This video might be uploaded when they're cut. Let's upload it to you. So. Are you kidding me, mate? It's stuck. Where you're gonna go right now? Let's take it outside. Let's go out here. Let's go. 30 subscribers special, guys. Thanks, guys. I didn't think I could get that far. Now I think I'm gonna go for 50 subscribers. 40. I don't know, guys. So. So for 50 subscribers, I'll do 40, but maybe that might not be normal, like that. Also, my god, this is crazy, man. It's top heavy and it's going too much to the left. Guys, right there. Then we go in there. This is not my phone too, so. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Fall in the bushes, guys. Okay, let's give it a second try. Fucking god! Let's go for it right here. The fucking right now. Why? I'll have to put more tape on it. I'm using really bad tape. I have to put like 20 tape on it. So let's go back now. Yes. Shit into the wind, guys. Look. So you just walk over here. There's some farms over there. Fucking long ass road over here. So this big tree here. It's like a monster eating something. This one my neighbor said it's behind. So let's put it right here. Let's try it out. Here. Guys, oh fuck. Holy shit. Where's all fine? The back is all filled up now. That's not my phone. It's one of my neighbors. It's off the big thing. Don't go straight to the wall. Fuck, okay. I think that's shit. It's okay, it's not a wall, it's a fence. Okay, it's because the phone keeps tilting over there. Oh! Yes! Fuck! Okay, I guess. Okay, let's just walk over here. Go. I don't know. Oh my god, it's pretty small. This brush, man. It also attracts this snot. I guess we can end it here. I don't know. Guys, if you enjoyed this episode, I'm ending it here. If you guys enjoyed this episode and want to see more, subscribe, guys. And if we reach the 50, we'll probably do something funner than this. I don't know. Might do something different. 50 subscribers, guys. That's my new goal. Not 40, 50, guys. I want to be 50. Oh, fucking shit. I just dropped the controller, guys. Oh, fuck. Guys, I just dropped the controller. Shit. Okay. I have to go into the car here. There's the battery. Fuck. You see me? Okay. Fuck. Okay, let me disconnect it from the car here. Shit tons of tape.